This is a tangle called Rixty. We did it on the live this morning. It starts with 2 lines, and then you take a line that covers both of those lines that has a little edge on each side, and then you bring a line down to each of those lines, creating a small triangle that you fill in with ink. Then what you're going to do is aura that area. And auraing, before you ask what that is this right here. We are going around that area we just tangled, and the line around that area is called an aura. Now I continue this tangle by branching and making tons of different branches off of it. You can also have one tangle come out of another one over and over and over again, like this set of lines that I go straight up right now. It's a very cool, fun tangle. To me, it's earthy, it's floral, it can be anything. It can be very futuristic too. Now, for this tangle specifically, there's no real shading that's specifically for it, I would say. You just add graphite wherever you want and see how it turns out. I turned the light off so that you could see how I shaded this one. And so here it is. You can find me live almost every night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I have a link tree under my bio to all my other social media accounts and my Etsy.